Hello, and welcome to our presentation, Lift Your Mood with SOQI Products. In this presentation, we will discuss how our mood affects our overall health, which SOQI products can help improve your mood, a wellness routine to support a positive mood, and unveil some special sales designed to better your mental well-being. Modern life is filled with difficulties, both big and small. This can lead to feelings like frustration, sadness, and ambivalence. As your mental outlook worsens, it can be hard to care about the people around you and the tasks you must complete. Things you once enjoyed or took pride in may no longer hold the same appeal. One common saying is happiness is the best medicine. But when we are struggling to keep our mood positive, it can be hard to know how to feel happy again. You may feel bogged down by your responsibilities to work, your family, friends, or others who are close to you in life. It may begin to feel like chores. Work or maintaining a schedule are too difficult to manage. This is why a positive mental state is so important. Managing your mood is key to a balanced and productive life. The best way to deal with unpredictable or low mood is with SOQI products. All our products are non-invasive, all natural, and side effect free. On the next few slides, we will highlight some products that can help increase your mood. In this presentation, we will be focusing on these 5 products: our Chi Machine, the Advanced CRE, Ceramic Heater, E-Power, and our Good Soul Essential Oil. Our Advanced Reflex Energizer uses the power of reflexology to improve your mood by stimulating various points on the bottom of the feet and throughout the body. The low frequency of the ERE is perfect for soothing sore muscles and reducing stress. When your body feels good, your mood will improve also. Our e-power machine works by generating a high-frequency negative ion field to help balance your negative and positive ions. Modern life often skews our equilibrium of ions, and the e-power helps return us to natural balance. The e-power can help ease the user into a more restful sleep. When we get enough sleep, it's easier to take on life's challenges and your mood will improve. The Chi machine is uniquely calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. The increased blood circulation and Chi flow help create a feeling of deep relaxation and peace, improving mood. The additional blood flow will help sore muscles relax and heal, which helps with pain management. When your body is in less pain, your mental state will improve. Our ceramic heater utilizes far infrared technology to generate relaxing, soothing heat. The far infrared emitted by the ceramic heater ranges from 8 to 10 microns, which is easily absorbed by the human body. When your body is sufficiently oxygenated, your brain and internal organs function better and cause your mood to stabilize. Our Good Soul Essential Oil is related to the crown chakra, which is linked to our mind and imagination. This product is designed to stimulate your mind and improve your mood with an invigorating scent. On the next slide, we will discuss a wellness routine using these products to improve mood. A wellness routine for lifting your mood. Here are the directions for this wellness routine. Step 1. Use the number 6 Good Soul Essential Oil by dispensing 1 or 2 drops onto your pillowcase and add 3 to 4 drops into a diffuser. Step 2, use your Chi machine for 5 to 10 minutes a day, twice a day. 3, use the ceramic heater for 30 minutes, 2 times a day. Fur pad, use it for 30 minutes, twice a day. The products shown here are more effective when used together. Step 5, advanced ERE, 15 to 30 minutes, twice a day. E-Power, 30 minutes, twice a day. What are the benefits of this routine? One of them is improved holistic health. Another is improved mood, reduced stress, improved immunity, improved circulation, and the detoxing of the body.